How to buy Robux with Amazon Pay. This is a step-by-step guide and this is quite easy to do. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. First things first, I am inside the web version of Roblox right here now. It does not matter whether you're using the application mobile version or the web version right here. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on the Robux icon, click on buy Robux, and basically in here we are then going to choose the Robux that we want to purchase. As an example, let's go ahead and click on the 4,500 Robux right here. Inside we then have our payment method. We have the most common payment methods right here, which is the credit card, debit card, the PayPal account, redeem Robux card, but right below that we then have the other button. You can just go ahead and click on this button, wait for the page to load in. It can really take a few seconds to show up. And inside we then have once again the credit and debit cards, and right below that we have the popular payment method, which is the local bank that you have, and lastly you have the Amazon Pay. If you cannot go ahead and see these options right here, just go ahead and click on the change country, and you can just make sure that the Amazon Pay is available on your selected regions. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.